Oh, I didn't realize there was one over there too.
Is there something good in there?
So Nova down here is working on my little concoction. Should be a little tough. So there's a toy, the brown toy actually had a big ice treat in it, so there was produce and fake dog biscuits in the ice. So that was in there with hay stuffed in there, and then the Jolly Ball, which is the red ball there, had peanut butter smeared on it, and then I stuffed hay in everything so that she had to pull the hay out to get to her food. So that's one of the ways we enrich them, is a puzzle feeder like that. I could have left it loose on the ground too, however it would have likely ended up in my pool, and then it would have been hard to retrieve because it would sink. Nova's a very smart bear. She knows that if she takes her toys into the pool, the water kind of helps the food float out. So 9 times out of 10, she'll take it right into the pool. And then until we drain the pool, it's stuck there. And we only drain the pools every now and again. We don't like to waste the water. They are filtered and everything. We do have a pool stick, but even so, these are pretty heavy toys, and sometimes we can't get them back. We do also, so we do carcass feeds here as well. So we'll sometimes feed them like a part of a cow that we get, and we will chain that down too, because especially the polar bears will take that right into the pool and play with it. And then we've got a cow leg in the bottom of the pool for 2 months. So, and you know, we try so hard to get it out of there, and they'll go out, they'll come out in the morning, and they'll pull it out, they'll put it on land, and we're like, oh, okay, just leave it there. And then right before they come in, they're like, boop, put it back in the water. They're
Thank you, Zach. Oh, you're welcome. Have a good day. Hey, Timber.
What kind of fox is it? Oh, Artic fox. I wonder how old it is.
Yeah, that's Timber. Timber's, like I said, about 4 years old, male, Arctic fox. And you'll notice he is not all white. And in the wild, they would curl up and put their nose underneath that tail. And the nose is the only part that's vulnerable. They would curl that up, and that would keep them warm throughout the Arctic winters.
So he's loving this weather right now.
Oh yeah, yeah. He's in fact, it's probably a little warm for him. During the summer, they will shed most of that fur. Then they'll be very comfortable in the summer, but in the winter, they're not used to days like this.
Pretty.
Like the polar bears, you have to keep an eye on them all the time, because if the polar bears are losing their
Yeah, look at
territory,
him. He
that
is.
affects the Arctic foxes too.
Timber. I know. He's very active.
Hmm.